Maisie here is 10 years old, and for her whole life, she used to stand at this sliding glass door and wait for someone to open it for her. But now she is free to go outside anytime she wants, thanks to this pet door from Hale. We had it professionally installed directly into our glass door. Initially, I was worried about weather coming through it, but it hasn't been a problem. There are magnets around this thick plastic flap so the wind doesn't blow it open. And I really don't notice a lot of heat or cold coming through it either in general. There's a solid panel you can slide over it and lock it if you want. My one complaint is that it gets grimy. I try cleaning it, but it still gets cloudy pretty quickly because after all, she has to push her nose on it to get it to work. But overall, we all love it, and we don't know why we waited so long to get it. She really seems to love her independence, and we don't worry about rushing home to let her out. It's been great.